on top of the murder charge dropped against a man accused of killing a Forsyth County deputy in a crash. The driver's attorney is opening up about this evolving case.
As you know, the Forsyth County DA dropped the most serious charges, saying new evidence shows it was the deputy on the wrong side of the road. WFMY News 2's Kristina Dillon got reaction from the driver's attorney.
Brian Castillo's attorney pushes back on claims about speed in this crash and shares new details, including that Castillo wasn't alone in the truck.
The crash happened in the early morning hours of March 7th near Highway 311 and Grubbs Road in Walnut Cove. Prosecutors say new evidence changed the case, including that Deputy Caleb Mitchell may have crossed the center line, not Brian Castillo, leading to the dismissal of major charges, including second-degree murder. The DA says there's still probable cause for speeding and reckless driving. Now Castillo's attorney, Karen Gerber, says there's more to the story.
We certainly deny that there was a speed of 100 miles an hour.
Initial reports said Castillo was driving more than 100 miles per hour. The district attorney and state highway patrol have not said whether that estimate has changed. The defense is also sharing a detail not previously shared by law enforcement. Castillo's attorney says when the crash occurred, he was driving to work with coworkers.
He's a teenager. He's 19 years old. He is on his way to work with his coworkers in the very wee hours of the morning to go earn a living.
We asked investigators to confirm who was in that truck, but we have not received that information. The attorney says Castillo is a 19-year-old from Texas who came to North Carolina for work. She says this case comes down to what happened in the final seconds before impact.
We are talking both drivers had under 2 seconds before either car was in the other one's line of visibility. Certainly appears that both drivers responded immediately to try to avoid the collision.
She says this has weighed heavily on Castillo and his family, who keep Deputy Mitchell in their prayers, and that for Castillo, it's been frightening.
It was very scary. He very much leaned into both his faith and the support of his family, who loves him very much.
State Highway Patrol says a final crash report is expected in the coming days.